Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 13, 2023 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. Digit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong August 13, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong August 13, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 13, 2023 Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 30 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for Sunday, August 13, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of August 13, 2023 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.